Hi, I'm Craig Phillips. In this video, I'm going to show you how to bring this old summer house back to life. As you can see, it's been exposed to the elements for some time. It's not in the best of shape. Softwood like this needs to be treated at least once a year. I've started the preparation yesterday by cleaning the whole area down with the jet wash. I've given it time to dry. I've gently sanded it. All I need to do now is mask up the glass and then start painting with my Wagner handheld paint sprayer. The main woodwork on the summer house has now had 2 coats and is completely dry. The next stage is I want to paint my window frames a different colour, a slightly darker grey, and I want to use the paint sprayer. So I'm going to apply a second layer of masking tape along the edge of the dry timber all the way up to the edge of the window frame. The masking tape is now completed around the window frame and around the door frame. I've got my paint sprayer and I've set the nozzle for detailed spraying. I've turned the paint flow right the way down, so it's only a minimum amount of paint coming out. I'm ready to start spraying. I'm about to remove the masking tape off. Now, if you remember, I painted the main walls of here a couple of coats yesterday, so that's dry. This masking tape was put on yesterday, but we've applied new paint over the top of it. So what I do is I take my trimming knife and I just very gently score a little line just where that masking tape meets the actual woodwork of the frame and the new paintwork, because what we don't want it to do is dry with 2 or 3 coats on like that, and then when we peel the masking tape off, there's always a fear that it could possibly peel off the paint off the surface, which of course we don't want. That'll give me a nice clean crisp cut between the window and the frame. That's our summer house complete. 2 different colours of paint, 2 different coats. Preparation, masking, all done in less than 2 days. If you're looking for some more hints and tips or some inspiration on paint spraying, why don't you follow us on social media?